If your Yukon Denali infotainment screen is constantly rebooting, force an emergency soft reset. Put the vehicle in park and hold the end call button on your steering wheel for 15 seconds. This hidden trick reboots the system without wiping saved data. A frozen screen happens when the memory cache gets overloaded or an update fails. These infotainment systems are specialized computers. They get trapped in a boot loop because they never fully shut down when the vehicle turns off. Simply turning the engine off rarely fixes the glitch. The internal processor needs a complete power cycle to clear corrupted files. Pull your vehicle over to a safe location and shift into park. Locate the button designated for ending phone calls on the right side of your steering wheel. Press and hold this end call button continuously for 15 seconds without letting go. Keep your eyes on the center display until it turns completely black. Once the display goes dark, release the button. Wait 10 seconds while the internal processor clears its temporary memory. The brand logo will soon appear as the system restarts. This process instantly restores your audio, Bluetooth, and navigation. If the reset fails, your next option is to disconnect the negative battery terminal for 20 minutes. This drains the capacitors completely and gets your dashboard functioning smoothly.